A very warm welcome to all the students. This is the very first video of our YouTube channel, Eklavya Education Point. Students, in this video, we are going to take a look at 5 major questions of the chapter India Size and Location from class 9th NCERT subject Geography. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. The first question we have is the ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals and the decimal system reached to many parts of the world. Which of the following was most responsible for this? Students, in this question, out of the all 4 options given to us, option 1, the land routes is the correct answer. This is because the passes across the mountains in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers. These routes have contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since the ancient times. The ideas of Upanishads, Ramayana, the stories of Panchtantra, the Indian numerals and decimal system could thus reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin and other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, influence of Greek sculpture, their architectural style of domes and minar can be seen in India. Therefore, option 1, land routes is the correct answer to the question. Moving on to the next question. In this question, first of all, take a look at the given map. The area marked by the arrow on the map is a neighboring country of India. What is its name? Here, out of the all 4 options given to us, option 3, Bangladesh is the correct answer. This is because Bangladesh is a neighbor of the Indian subcontinent and is attached to India from north, east and west. Bangladesh is a country of very vast culture. It is a country of mixed religion, but somehow Bangladesh comprises of 89% of the total population as Muslim. This country at present is under the influence of Islamic religion. Bangladesh is a very young country formed as an independent nation in the year 1971. As a result of the Indo-Pak War of 1971, Bangladesh got independence and became a separate nation, but initially it was called as East Pakistan. East Pakistan was formed after the separation of India in the year 1947. Therefore, the marked area on the map is Bangladesh. Now, the third question we have is, India enjoys trade relations with various countries in the world. What was the main item exported from India to different countries in ancient time? Students, in this question, we have given 4 options and option 4, both B and C, that is muslin and spices, is the correct answer to the question. Let us try to understand more about this. There was a time in the past when Indians were the masters of the sea-borne trade of Europe, Asia and Africa. From the earliest time, India has an enormous trade links with Asia and Western countries. This glory of Indian overseas trade even continued in the medieval and modern period. Muslin, a cotton fiber of plain weave, was hand-woven in the region around Dhaka, Bengal, now Bangladesh, and exported to Europe, the Middle East, and the other markets for much of the 17th and 18th century. Between the 7th and 15th century, Arab merchants supplied Indian spices to the West but took care to keep their source a closely guarded secret. To protect their market, discourage competitors, and enhance prices, they are known to have spread fanciful stories to satisfy the curious, such as cinnamon growing in the deep glens infested by poisonous snakes, among other things. Therefore, option 4, both B and C, is the correct answer to the question. Further, the fourth question of this chapter we have is, a union territory is a type of administrative division in the Republic of India. Which of the following is not an union territory? The correct answer is option 4, Goa. This is because A union territory is a type of administrative division in the Republic of India. Unlike the states of India, which have their own governments, union territory are federal states ruled directly by union government. The seven union territories are National Capital Territory of Delhi, Delhi, Chandigarh, Daman and Diu, Daman, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Silvassa, Pondicherry, Puducherry, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Port Blair, and Lakshadweep, Kavaratti. However, the However, the amount and the names of the union territories have been changed recently in the year 2019 in the month of October by the Government of India. Therefore, option 4 Goa is the correct answer to the question, as it is not an union territory of India. Finally, the last question we have is, India is a large country consisting of 29 states, which is the largest state in India in terms of area. Students, in this question, we have given 4 options and option 4 Rajasthan is the correct answer. This is because India is a large country consisting of 29 states and 7 union territories. According to the 2011 census, the largest state in India is Rajasthan. Rajasthan spreads about 3,42,238 square kilometers in the northwestern part of the country, comprising of 10.41% of the whole land of India. In terms of its geographical area, the state is comparable to the European country Germany. Although the largest in the area, it is the 7th largest in population. It was formed in 1949 after Rajputana was joined with the Dominion of India. Its largest city and capital is Jaipur. Other major cities include Udaipur, Ajmer, Bikaner, Kota, and Jodhpur. Therefore, the correct answer is option 4 Rajasthan. So students, now that we have gone through all the 5 important questions of the chapter India Size and Location, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also comment down below your valuable thoughts and ideas to improve the content of this channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon for all the latest updates. Thank you for watching.